What if I told you that just 1 lakh rupees in your 20s could snowball into 6 crores by the time you're 50 without winning a lottery or running a business? In this video, I'll show you how to turn a modest 1 lakh savings into your ticket to early retirement using proven financial strategies, the power of compounding, and some smart investing decisions. Stay till the end to see a real breakdown. Most people in their 20s think retirement is a faraway dream. Bills, EMIs, travel plans, and salary delays take up all the focus. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the easier it becomes, even with a small amount. You check your bank balance on the 5th of the month, rent gone, Swiggy orders piling up, credit card notifications buzzing, and you're thinking, how can I even think about retirement? But here's the twist. You don't need 10 lakh or even 5 lakh to start. Just 1 lakh once at age 25, that's the only spark you need to ignite financial freedom. Let's break it down. Compounding is where your money earns money, and that new money earns even more money. It's like planting a money tree. If you invest 1 lakh at 12% annual return, which is easily achievable in long-term equity mutual funds, that becomes 10.3 lakhs in 20 years. But wait, if you leave it for 30 years, that same 1 lakh becomes 29.9 lakhs. And in 40 years, 93 lakhs, all from a one-time 1 lakh. Now imagine this, instead of investing once, what if you started SIPs? That's where things really explode. Let's say after that 1 lakh investment, you also start a monthly SIP of 5,000 rupees. That's just your weekend food delivery budget. 5,000 per month at 12% annual returns for 25 years becomes over 95 lakhs. And if you increase your SIP by just 10% every year, that total shoots to 1.5 crore. Now combine this with your original 1 lakh, and boom, you've already got a 2.5 crore portfolio before you hit 50. Want to retire even earlier? Make that SIP 10,000 per month. That's less than most people pay on bike or phone EMIs. Here's where most people mess up. They park money in FDs, savings accounts, or gold thinking it's safe. But safety without growth is slow suicide for your money. Instead, consider index funds like Nifty 50 or Sensex-based mutual funds. Historically, they've given 11-13% returns annually. If you're a bit more comfortable with risk, look at mid-cap or flexi-cap mutual funds. More volatility, but more return potential too. Don't know where to start? Apps like Grow, Zerodha Coin, Pay2Money make it super simple. Just 10 minutes to set up and start investing. Mistake 1. Waiting too long. Every year you delay, you lose lakhs in potential growth. 1 lakh invested at 25 is not the same as 1 lakh at 30. Mistake 2. Panic selling. Markets will dip, sometimes crash. But long-term investors ride out the storm. That's where the wealth is built. Mistake 3. No diversification. Don't put all your money in one stock or one sector. Mutual funds already help diversify, but you can spread across large, mid, and international funds too. Mistake 4. Lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, your expenses do too, but make sure your savings and investments grow faster. Let's say you invest 1 lakh in 2025 in a good index fund, add a SIP of 10,000 monthly, increase that SIP by 10% every year. By 2035, your portfolio is worth around 28 lakhs. By 2045, it crosses 1.2 crore, and by 2055, you're sitting on 3.5 to 4 crore. That's with just 1 lakh starting capital and disciplined investing. Imagine if you got a bonus or side income and increased SIPs faster. And this doesn't require a finance degree. It just needs consistency and patience. Age 25 or 30, start with whatever you can, 1 lakh lump sum and 5,000 SIP. Focus on learning and consistency. Age 30-35, increase your SIPs. Target 15-20% of your monthly income towards investments. Add term insurance and health insurance too. Age 35-40, rebalance your portfolio annually. Shift some funds to less volatile options like debt funds or hybrid funds. Age 40 to 45, start focusing on reducing debt and slowly building an income-generating retirement corpus. Age 45 plus, you should now have a corpus big enough to give you a monthly passive income via SWP or annuity plans. So here's the recap. Start with Rs1 lakh, invest in mutual funds, add consistent SIPs, avoid panic selling, and increase your contributions with income. Simple moves in your 20s lead to financial freedom in your 40s or early 50s. Most people miss this bus. Don't be that person. Next time, we'll break down how to calculate your exact retirement corpus and what to do 5 years before retirement. Don't miss it. If you found this valuable, hit the like button. It helps the video reach more people like you who are planning smart. Comment below how much you plan to start investing this month, even if it's just 1,000. Let's build a community of future retirees in their 40s. Don't forget to subscribe. We drop weekly videos on personal finance, investing, and building wealth smartly in India. You don't need to be rich to retire early, you just need to start early. Every rupee invested today is 10 earned tomorrow. Remember, investing is not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. The earlier you start, the more freedom you earn, and freedom is the real goal, not just money. Rewatch this video if needed. Send it to your younger sibling or best friend. They'll thank you in 20 years. Want to retire by 45 like a boss? This is how you do it. Not by working 80-hour weeks, but by making your money work for you. Bookmark this video. Start your SAP today, then forget about it and live your life. One day your portfolio will wake you up rich. This was PennyPowerPro, helping you make smarter financial choices. Until next time, invest smart, live free.